Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show button on videos in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. So how to show button on videos in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the Lucid Mode menu. Then tap to show button on videos. This feature allows buttons to appear on videos when using Opera Browser, making it easier to control, such as downloading or pop-out videos. So that's it, the tutorial how to show button on videos in Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.